Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. Today we're going to do an unboxing, because this is better be my new weed whacker. So let's take a look. Oh no, it's just another box. Yes. And all kinds of pieces. Well, I'll pull all these pieces out and everything and come back in and let you know what I have in here. So what we have here is a 52cc weed eater, and I couldn't even tell you the name. I'd have to look at it. It's some Chinese weed whacker, of course. What else would it be? It was under $200. Comes with a little mixing tank, funnel, the handles, a broken pair of safety goggles, which is disconcerting, some gloves, string, 15 meters, the weed, the string holder, manual, toolkit, the shaft, which will slip. I'm assuming this one will slide into that one, so it's adjustable. Also comes with a saw blade, another manual, protection guard, starting procedure, bush cutting blade. So it's a nice little one, and some assembly are required. So this is what was in the toolkit: 2 Allen wrenches, a bracket for, I'm guessing, the backside of the guard, spark plug wrench, reversible screwdriver, Phillips head, 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter wrench, 2 bags of screws, and I'm going to assume this is the string cutter, which will mount onto here. There was also this manual that I forgot to show earlier. It's pretty much useless. There's no instructions on how to assemble this weed eater at all. So I'm probably going to just look at a picture and go from there. So I took the red cap off, and it's got a link in here, and it will slide into here, hooking up with another one in there. And then you'll have the handles will go on. This part is what mounts to the motor. That's for the weed whacking end. So the 2 pieces slide together, and you have a pull pin right here, spring loaded. When it goes into the hole and locks in, you're good to go. Then you have a handle over here that you can also go and tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten it, just want it tight. So then the motor will go on here. So let's do it. Alright, now you just pull this plastic piece off. So these are going to go in this way and screw into the engine. So you're going to use the large Allen wrench and the 4 screws that are in the bag. And they mount in here. Get one started here, one on the other side. Just like that. Now you can bring that snug. Same with this one. Bring it up nice and snug so the cotter pin flattens out. And then put in your last couple. Okay, for the handles, you're going to need the small Allen wrench, and you're just going to loosen up these 4 screws, and then slide your handles in about halfway into right about in the middle there, and do the same thing with the other side. Tighten them up, and you're good to go. So now we're going to take this off. This is for holding the blade on. So now this stays. That. And then your wheel will go on there. Just like that. Now to put on the shield, you get 2 more screws. It'll go on like that. Bracket will go on like this. Get those started in there. This will be the large Allen wrench. Like that there. Snug it up to the front there. Just make sure it covers good. Looks good there. Just tighten these up. Get those nice and tight. Don't over tighten these. You want them really snug, but you know, you're screwing into plastic, so you don't want to break it. 4 little screws here, and that's for the cutter, and it has a little slot that it goes into like that, and then you just put the 3 screws in, and that holds that. You want to get those fairly tight. Came with 2 zip ties also. That's for the line here. And you can just zip tie it along the handle. So over here on your handle, you have a start and stop. It's just a switch. Throttle lock, so you have to push that down. You got your choke right here. Underneath you have your primer bulb. I just put fuel in it. Says the instructions right there. The air purge 10 times. Pull to start. Choke. So it's time to fire this thing up. Excellent. Sounds good. It does come with a sling. You're going to see here. You'll see it when it's attached. And this just has a hook, hooks into here. Has a nice leg guard right there for it, for your hip. So, ready to go. Well, there we go. Seems to cut really nice. No lack of power, that's for sure. I will post a link down below, and I'm going to go put it to work. Till the next one.